A dad is a girl or a boy? Boy, okay. Family? You have a family? Oh, 9. You have a 9 in your family. Okay. So that is dad. Next one. How about this one? Who is this? Mom. Okay. And sister and brother. Okay. The family. So mother, is it a girl or a boy? A girl. Okay. So it's a female parent in the family. She loves and cares for the children and helps with many things in the family. So sometimes mother doing the houseworks, okay? Doing houseworks, okay. She do cleaning, washing, take care of the children, like that. That's the role of Hi, okay. Your grandma is the one who clean your house. How about your mother? Your mom? Take care of your brother, sister, and the family, right? Okay. Next one. Who is this? Who is that one? Is it a brother or a sister? Brother, is it a boy or a girl? A boy. Okay. It can be younger or older than you, a brother. Okay, next. This one. Okay, a sister. Is it a girl or a boy? Girl. Okay. Next one. Who is this? Okay, a grandpa or grandfather. Grandpa or grandfather. Okay. Grandpa is the father of your mom or your dad. He is usually older and enjoys sharing stories or wisdom. Okay. Did your grandfather, okay, think about your grandfather. Oh, you have grandfather, okay. What grandfather did to the children in your family? Did he read books to you? Yes. What else? You play outside? You go outside? Okay, that's grandfather. Next one. This one. Who is this in your family? Grandma! Do you love your grandma? You have? Okay, you love your grandma. How about grandpa? You don't have grandpa. But you love grandpa, right? Who? Oh, you have grandpa. So this one, a grandmother is a mother of your mom.